Essay on Makar Sankranti or few lines on Makar Sankranti. In this video, you will get write up on origin and significance of the festival, who celebrates Makar Sankranti, when it is celebrated, why we celebrate, how we celebrate, its importance, and why it's a festival of donation. Makar Sankranti is an Indian festival celebrated by several states of India around mid-January. It is the first festival of the new year. Origin and significance. Makara means Capricorn. The movement of the sun into Makara Rashi or the zodiac of Capricorn is called Makar Sankranti. This festival is also known as Uttarayan, as from the day of Makar Sankranti, the sun begins its northward journey. This day, also known as Maghi, is a major harvest festival and is dedicated to the sun god Surya. This festival is a religious celebration as well as a seasonal observance and marks the winter solstice when the shift of the sun leads to ever-lengthening longer days. Who celebrates Makar Sankranti? The festival is majorly celebrated in the Indian subcontinent and also by Indians and Hindus around the world. Every region celebrates it in innumerable ways according to the localization, culture and traditions. Tamil Nadu also celebrates Pongal at the same time and Punjab also celebrates Lohri at the same time. When Makar Sankranti is celebrated, usually the festival is celebrated on January 14, but in some exceptions, it takes place on January 15 as per the solar cycle. Why we celebrate Makar Sankranti? This festival is celebrated in honor of the sun god or Surya to pay tribute for the grace of its energy that has enabled life and food on earth. How we celebrate Makar Sankranti? On this day, devotees take a holy dip in rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. They believe this washes away their sins. It is also considered a time of peace and prosperity, and many spiritual practices are conducted on this day. Every 12 years, along with Makar Sankranti celebrations, the Kumbh Mela also takes place, which is one of the world's largest mass gathering. Sesame and jaggery laddus or chikkis are distributed on this day, popularly referred to as Til Gud. The sweet signifies that people must stay together in peace and harmony despite their differences. According to Hindu belief, if one dies on Makar Sankranti, they are not reborn but get ultimate moksha. Bhishma Pitama waited for 58 days before leaving his body. Bhishma Pitama left his body on the auspicious day of Uttarayan. Makar Sankranti importance for the farmers. For the farmers, the importance of the Makar Sankranti celebration translates into celebrating the completion of the harvesting season. It can be called a festival of thanksgiving for the harvest to sun god. Makar Sankranti's reason for celebration is the bounty of grains that are harvested. It is a festival of new beginnings. Why Makar Sankranti is called a festival of donation? One of the important aspects of Makar Sankranti is giving charity or daan. Donations done on Makar Sankranti day prove to be more fruitful than done on any other day of the year. People donate various items to the unprivileged. Some of the main items which are donated on this day include warm cloths, blankets, food, metal utensils, and so on. Makar Sankranti is the festival that spread the message of harmony and togetherness among the people. For unique drawing on Makar Sankranti, click the link given in the description box. Happy Makar Sankranti to all of you. Like, share, subscribe. School assignment help.